how much should you actually spend on a fuel injector cleaner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Redline SI1 Complete Cleaner 2-pack. First up, we have the Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. What grabbed my attention here is its powerful formula designed specifically to tackle corrosion and deposits in your fuel system. Priced at $28.99 for a 2-pack, it's on the higher end. But if you want to ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cleaner is engineered with a concentrated blend of detergents that can clean injectors, carburetors, and even combustion chamber deposits. It's made to enhance gasoline stability, which is crucial if you want to avoid buildup of harmful gum and varnish. With an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 9,000 reviews, it's no surprise that more than 3,000 of these were sold just last month. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep, especially when there are cheaper alternatives. Here's the thing though, you're investing in your vehicle's performance. If you drive a lot or have an older car, this could save you from costly repairs down the line. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's health. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix over a long-term solution. For the price, the value is definitely there. Now, if you're not ready to spend that much just yet, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget while still delivering results. Product number 2, Redline SI1 Complete Cleaner 4-pack. Next, we have the Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner, but in a 4-pack. This one is priced at $63.88, which might seem hefty at first, but if you're someone who's proactive about vehicle maintenance, it's a worthwhile investment. The same powerful formula is included here, designed to clean and prevent corrosion effectively. Each bottle is meant for 1 tank, and using 4 of them ensures you have a consistent treatment schedule. If you want long-term protection for your fuel system, this is a solid choice. With the same 4.8-star rating from 9,000 reviews, it's clear this cleaner has a loyal following. Still, some users noted that the quantity might be excessive for those with newer cars. But let's be real, regular maintenance is key to keeping your engine in top shape, and this cleaner can help you achieve that. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently or own multiple vehicles. Skip this if you're looking for just a one-time fix. The value is there if you're in it for the long haul. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something a bit more hands-on, the next product on my list might be right up your alley. Product number 3, THIKPO Universal Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit. Now let's talk about the THIKPO Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit, priced at $26.89. This caught my attention because it's not just a cleaner, it's a complete kit for diagnosing and cleaning injectors. It comes with various adapters to fit most vehicles and can help diagnose problems like blockage or leakage. With a 4.5-star rating from 676 reviews, it's popular among DIYers. However, some users found the setup a bit complicated, especially if you're not mechanically inclined. But here's the thing, if you enjoy working on your car or want to save money on repairs, this tool can definitely pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you like to take a hands-on approach to car maintenance. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, ready-to-use solution. For DIY enthusiasts, this is a great value. Now, if you're looking for something that's easy to use without all the technicality, let's move on to our next product. Product number 4, Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner 1-pack. Next up is the Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner, available for $14.90. This smaller bottle caught my eye for its simplicity and effectiveness, especially for those who want a quick fix. This cleaner works in just 1 tankful while you drive and is designed to restore lost fuel economy, something many of us definitely want these days. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,700 reviews, this is a reliable option. However, it does have its limitations. Some users found it less effective on heavily clogged systems. But I'll be real with you, if you're looking for something straightforward and easy, this cleaner is still a solid choice for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, no-fuss solution to keep your fuel system clean. Skip this if you're dealing with major issues or a lot of buildup. For the price, it's a great quick-fix option. Alright, now if you want something that packs a bit more punch, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus 6-pack. Finally, we have the Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner priced at $39.98 for a 6-pack. This product stands out for its comprehensive cleaning capabilities. It's designed to not just clean, but also restore lost power and fuel economy while reducing engine issues like rough idle and hesitation. This cleaner works wonders in almost every gasoline engine, and with a stellar 4.6-star rating from over 16,800 reviews, it's one of the most recommended options. Some users mention that it takes a couple of treatments to see full effects, which can be a drawback for immediate results. But honestly, if you're serious about your car's performance, this is worth the wait. It's a solid investment in the long-term health of your engine. This is perfect for you if you want a thorough, effective cleaner over time. Skip this if you're looking for a quick, one-time solution. It offers great value, especially if you plan to use it regularly. So to recap, we started with the Red Line SI1 for serious maintenance, then moved to its 4-pack for extended use. The THIKPO toolkit offered a hands-on approach, while the Chevron Techron options provided quick fixes. Ultimately, it depends on your needs and how deep you want to go in maintaining your fuel system. Choose wisely and your car will thank you.